What?
You said you'd be looking for the rare parts.
Okay. Aiden might like some of these arts. I think the number one card is $300 and it's a fucking secret fucking woman card. I can take off the plastic. I see why the YouTubers use fucking blades and shit. See that shit? For sale in Japan only. Well, fuck you, bitch.
Rand's break, I call the police.
Gotta inspect these cards, make sure they ain't tampered with. That seemed good to me. Alright, we're gonna get some good ass cards here. Let's get it on. Jigglypuff. Bruh!
What is that, dude?
Dude,
That's
oh
what
my
I'm
god, it's the what, dude? It's the first one. And
Was
that's
that
the
bad?
yeah, because that's like the only guaranteed, unless it's like a heavy box and it's a you can get
You
like
got a
one
freaking
more.
doo-doo card as the
Yeah.
heavy. You got a freaking moldy golf ball, dude. What's that?
Okay, dude. Moldy golf. Well, that's like there's some better artworks in here too, so it's not like that's the only hit and I'm done with the box.
You could reseal it and sell it again like you normally do.
What, dude? He does
Normally.
not. Dude, Chad, he's kidding. Oh my god, hold up.
He's kidding, Chad.
Look at that. That's some cool artwork. I ain't gonna lie. I like that. Oh no.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! What was that one? It's gone forever now.
That one?
Yeah, dude, what is that?
Trying to get it. Going better.
That kind of look nice though.
It's just like a Power Ranger, I guess.
This shit look like it from Evangelion or some shit.
Okay.
This is what it looks like when you're Ram, dude. You're just walking around.
What
Get the POV shot. So guys, Ram. I saw a big little bit.
Oh, okay.
Run into these packs.
Yeah. Japanese is so much.
Oh, dude, how you gonna resell that one? You messed that one up bad.
Bro, come on. Oh, this is sick. It's like $5.
He needs to wake his ass up, bro. He got work to do.
It's like $5. I'll say that.
$5?
Yeah. I mean, the box costs like 50.
Dude,
What? I know, but I get 3
we're
of those.
not getting out the trenches at this rate. We need a heavy hitter. Like
the
that.
hell?
That's $1 million, right?
It's like $1.
What is that, dude?
It's a Chinglu. It's a fish.
A
It's
Chinglu?
It's a legendary.
It looks like you have good head, dude.
It's a goldfish, I should say.
A goldfish?
Yeah, it's a goldfish. It's a legendary goldfish Pokemon. I know. It's wiggity wiggity whack.
Hey, man, pulling it up to the fight with a goldfish, bro. You lose it.
Oh fuck.
Come on, Ram. That was the most Come on now. Come on, Ram. Come on. Oh, you're bending him, dude.
I mean, I hit a heavy
You're
box.
bending him.
I got 2 secrets one time, so it's possible.
What is that? A
Bro.
freaking Clefairy, dude?
Wigglytuff.
Sad. What we talk? What
Yeah,
the frick is
it's
that?
in Generation 1.
I knew that.
That's a lie. I'm missing. I need 2 more ARs, so I bet this one's the next AR. I know
Where's the
because
juicers at?
I resealed this bitch.
For the video.
Oh.
Look at
Same
that.
fucking thing.
Another moldy golf ball,
Another
dude.
moldy golf cart. I mean golf ball. Oh. Aw.
What is that,
It's a
dude?
bat.
Why he got little swirlies on his head?
It's his ears.
His ears.
Sorry if I'm not fucking, what do you call it, chat?
Bats don't got
Sleeving these
ears.
things, cause...
Is that a freaking flamingo? What the heck was that?
I
Like a lawn ornament.
Where is it? Oh.
Look at him.
It's called
It's
Flamigo.
like a flamingo.
Flamigo.
Oh, he's Mexican.
Okay! I don't make up the names, man. People pay $300 for a secret version of this card.
See, did she make it?
No. It
Why
just.
put people buying in there?
I don't know.
Cut that out. Mods.
Man, that
I
guy.
didn't say that. Freaking mushroom card.
I'm pretty sure the pack art. Hold up. Nothing in there. It's just. It looks like a bull with a fucking bowl on his head.
Ooh, that's a juicer.
It's a belly bowl. $1.
The frick is that? $1?
I think. I'm making up fucking prices. It's probably
How
like
are we gonna
50
get this streamer house if we only get the dollar card? Bro?
cents.
We are never getting up the hood with
That's
this one,
me,
bro.
bro.
He just kind of looks zesty though.
Okay, dude. Why? Oh, that's not me.
He's
Then.
kind of jacked though. He had them big arms.
I'm getting better opening these. Not a... Honestly, the Japanese print quality, the card quality, is so much better than English. Come on, I'm missing 2 more art rares. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. Okay, dude. Right here? No. Hold on, let me read this bitch. Oh, wait, you're not guaranteed 3 on this. Fuck. What the hell? I read that wrong. God damn it, Chad. I'm dumb.
He's fluent.
I'm dumb.
Come on, bitch. Juice me up.
Juicy. Come on, right here. Oh, that looks good.
A freaking bird, dude.
That's a
Is
cigar
that a
bird,
burning
though.
ship?
Oh my god, that's sick.
That's a bird, bro. I like it. Saving that check.
He like he'd be on a cereal box.
Okay. What are you calling him? Like Kellogg's?
Korean
like a
or
cereal
Japanese?
mascot.
You're Japanese. Oh, here we go. There's the other art rare.
Them little shits, dude.
Little mice.
One's kind of trash. I ain't gonna lie.
You hate this one?
Oh, I like that one.
It's the opposite.
The other one was better. That you said was
Hell
trash.
no, dude.
Alright.
Oh, little
fuck
mice,
no.
they gangsters, bro. They rolling deep. We them boys.
Oh, and then nothing in the lab. This fucker.
Look how big his arms are, dude. His forearms are crazy. He's been hitting the rice bucket, dude. That's impressive.
Alright, dude. So whatever, dude. Got this mother chucka. Recap. I like this art. I should sleeve them, but they're for my collection, so I don't really care. I'm not giving anything away. I'm selfish. For now. And then this guy. This moldy ass golf ball looking ass.
Yeah, that shit's butt, dude.
That shit's
Ooh.
moldy butt. Alright, chat.
You gotta reseal those.
Okay, dude. He does
Send
not
them
mean
out
that,
to
chat.
viewers.
And I'm out.